like it's raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how I got my hallway looking from this to this, then keep watching. So guys, I know my hallway is a hot mess, but I'm gonna sort that out right now. One thing I hate about my house is the fact that as soon as you open the front door, you're in my living room. I don't like it at all. And the fact that they put the coat hanger where it is, like, I just hate it so much. So I decided to give it a nice little makeover just so it looks nice and presentable. So yeah, the first thing I'm doing is to get rid of all the shoes that is there. Guys, believe it or not, but these shoes are mainly my kids' shoes. They have more shoes than we do, trust me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just to get rid of the shoes and then just tidy up that corridor, and then I will start off with the decoration. So this is my hallway, all nice and tidy. I've hoovered the floor and it looks really nice and clean now. But guys, you will not believe what I'm about to do. Oh God, you won't believe what I'm about to do. This is a clue. What do you think I'm about to do? Yep, I ripped off all the carpet, guys, because I'm about to put laminated flooring on the floor. So yeah, wish me luck, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't done this before. So yeah, please wish me luck, because if it goes wrong, I'm gonna be in big trouble. But the main reason why I decided to take the carpet off from the hallway is because, you know, like the carpet that I have is a light grey carpet, so it gets dirty really quick. So when people come into my house and some people decide to come in with their shoes, they make my carpet really dirty, and you can just see the difference between the hallway carpet and the living room carpet, and I don't like that at all. So I decided to get rid of the carpet and then put laminated flooring on there, because that I can mop it when it gets dirty, do you know what I mean? And yeah, so that's why I decided to do that. I'm scared. I was really scared when I was doing it. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was so nervous because, as I said, I haven't done this before, like take off carpet and then put the laminated floor on there. But lucky the one that I got is a really good one. I got it off Amazon. I think it was about £45, and it was able to do the whole hallway, and I still had some left. So it's actually really good, and it has glue at the back of it, so I didn't even need to put any glue on there. You just stick it on there, but just make sure that you stick it on properly so there's no gaps in between at all. But yeah, guys. Yeah guys, I'm all done. This is how it's looking. I am so happy with it, guys. I am so proud of myself. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. I thought I was going to chicken out halfway through and call my partner crying, but yep, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm going to get the carpet edge thing to put it at the edge of the carpet. Yeah, I'm really happy with the result. I'm so happy, guys. I did it. So now that the floor is done, I'm gonna be putting this shoe cabinet that I bought off eBay. So I bought two, one for the kids and then one for us. I bought the small one for £35 and the big one for £37. It doesn't make sense, I know, but yeah. They decided to add £2 extra for a whole large one, but I didn't want to get two large one. I just wanted one small one and one large one. So yeah, guys, as I said from the beginning, I hate this coat hanger. So yeah, I took it off. I made a massive hole in the wall, but doesn't matter because I covered it with this mirror. I got this mirror from Home Bargain for £12. I love shopping in Home Bargain, guys, because you get great stuff from there and the prices are so affordable. So Home Bargain, B&M, The Range, those are my three favorite places to go when it comes to like my house decorations and stuff like that. I bought this basket from Home Bargain as well. It's like a silver metal basket thingy. I got that for £4, I think. And then I got this plant from B&M for £12, which I think is really nice. It gives it a bit of life, do you know what I mean? So yeah, this is how it's looking so far, guys. I am so in love with my hallway now. I put this basket there for our keys and letters, just so that that place will always be nice and neat and not messy at all. So yeah, this is how it's looking, and I am just super happy and so proud of myself that I actually done it. Finished it off with this doormat and runner rug that I bought from Argos. I bought both set for £15, and I do like it. It says Home Sweet Home on there, and it's really nice. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. What do you guys think of my decoration? Are you guys proud of me? Did I do a good job? Put it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Share this video with all your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.